Greetings to all the viewers. 1 mole of an ideal gas occupies the volume of dash liters at 273 Kelvin and 1 atmospheric pressure. Right? So it is the question taken from the gaseous state. Ideal gas occupies the volume to be identified. So that is given in the different values in different options. We have to go for the calculation of this one. So it is 1 mole of ideal gas. What is the volume? 273 Kelvin, 1 atmospheric pressure. Need not to go for the calculation. Rather, it is the fundamental, right? So here, let me show. 22.4 liters is the correct answer. 22.4 liters provided in the option number 1. So here, this is the fixed volume. At standard conditions like 1 mole of ideal gas and 273 Kelvin standard temperature, 1 atmospheric pressure is also standard. That's the reason why volume occupied is also fixed. That is 22.4 liters, right? At standard temperature and pressure STP, 1 mole of any gas occupies the volume of 22.4 liters. This is the fixed one. Okay. The standard temperature is 0 degrees centigrade in the Kelvin scale, 273.15 Kelvin, and standard pressure is 1 atmosphere. So this is the fundamental thing we need to understand. Avogadro hypothesis, the concept whichever discussed here, that is formulated by the scientist called Avogadro. Hence, this is the one called Avogadro law. Equal volumes of any gases at the same temperature and pressure contain same number of particles, right? So this is the Avogadro hypothesis. For the ideal gas, the equation could be PV is equal to nRT. N denotes number of moles and R is the gaseous constant whose value is 8.3144 joules per Kelvin per mole. Joule, Kelvin inverse, mole inverse, you can designate. This is about the SI unit for this ideal gas equation, right? Pressure, factor pressure indicated with the P, and the units are atmospheres or else torrs or else pascals, and mmHg value is also considered. So if you are taking volume is indicated with V, and whose measures of units are capital L, or meter cube can also be measured. Moles indicated with a small n number, and it is represented in the unit formula, that is MOL smalls. Temperature is the capital T. It is the symbol of temperature and measured in Kelvin scale. So this is the way, the right answer for the question. 1 mole of ideal gas occupies the volume 22.4 liters at 273 Kelvin and 1 atmospheric pressure. Option 1 is the correct answer. Signing off, Dr. Kavitha Kottireddy Kota.